Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to set up Brave with the Zcash shielded wallet. So if you're interested to learn more about what Zcash is, you can head over to z.cash. There's plenty of resources on exchanges and wallets and network metrics, even a few community links as well. For now, we're going to head over to the wallet icon, and if you've never set it up before, you're going to be presented with an onboarding screen where we'll click we need a new wallet. From here, we confirm that we understand that this is a self-custody wallet and we're responsible for any funds that are deposited. And so here we have the default networks which will be created in our Brave wallet. You can see Zcash mainnet is included and a bunch of other cool assets as well. We'll click continue. And from here, we'll get our recovery phrase. So, of course, make sure that you write it down or store it very securely in a way that you can recover it after a long period of time. Okay, we're all set. I confirmed 3 random words from my recovery phrase, which I have stored securely. Right, so here we have our portfolio screen. We can see the list of assets which we have available. So, yes, Zcash is shown here, but what we want to do is set our main Zcash account, just the default account, as a shielded one. So we're going to head over to the Accounts tab here, and under Zcash Account 1, Zcash Mainnet, we're going to click this button and click Switch to a shielded account. So we're switching our account to a shielded account. This means that the account was previously supporting only transparent transactions, and now it supports fully shielded transactions which hide the sender, receiver, and amount details. This is vitally important for practically any financial transaction that you make as a business or as a person. You don't want to publicize where you're spending your money or how much you have within your savings, and so we're going to shield the account. Okay. So from here, we'll sync it and we'll be able to deposit into our shielded Zcash account within our Brave browser. And so if you're depositing from, let's say, Leo DEX or any other DEX, it could be near intent, you'll be using the transparent address here, and then you'll be shielding your funds. For now, in this example, I'll be sending funds to this unified address. So a unified address is a combination of a transparent receiver and a shielded receiver. Okay, I've just sent 1 ZEC to my shielded account on Brave. We're going to allow this to confirm a few times before we'll do a test of the encrypted memo feature. All right, so here we see approximately 15 minutes or 12 confirmations our funds are available in our Brave wallet. So once we have the funds, we're now able to send them, and Zcash has an interesting feature in which you're able to send a encrypted message with any of your transactions. So I've set an amount, 0.5 ZEC, and I'll click choose recipient, and you click the address to confirm it. And here we see that we are now able to send a memo up to 512 characters. So this could be any kind of message. It could be related to the purchase of something, or it could be a personal message to someone. So you could say, hi, this is a demo. And so sending these messages on-chain with shielded transactions, the mere presence of the memo isn't revealed on-chain. Okay, so we've sent the transaction with the encrypted memo, and under activity in portfolio, you can see anytime you've sent a message, it will show here. Right, so we'll resync our account. And there we can see our balance is updated. We can see sent from our Zcash wallet. So if we head over to portfolio and we click activity, we'll be able to see the transaction details, and it's confirmed. There's a transaction hash with a link to 3xPL in case we need to confirm the number of confirmations. And you can see that in this block explorer, the presence of an encrypted memo isn't shown. So fully private messaging and fully private transactions with Zcash in Brave browser. In our next tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use your ZEC privately to pay for things like NIM VPN.